Unpacking, hot item. What does it mean? Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the phrase, hot item. It's a phrase you might hear in different contexts. And today, we'll explore its meanings and how to use it. Let's get started. To understand hot item, we first need to break it down. Hot, when something is burning or has a high temperature, but in many slang contexts, hot can mean popular or in demand. Item generally refers to a thing, object, or a piece of news. So, when combined, what do these words mean? Let's dive into that next. In popular culture, especially in news or entertainment contexts, hot item might refer to 1. A product or object that's selling quickly or is very popular at the moment. For example, the latest smartphone model is a hot item right now. 2. A piece of news or gossip that is currently trending or drawing a lot of attention. Did you hear about the latest celebrity breakup? It's the hot item in the news today. 3. Additionally, sometimes, hot item can colloquially refer to a popular or well-liked couple. Have you seen those two lately? They're quite the hot item. Now, let's see how we can use hot item in various sentences. 1. I tried to buy the new game everyone's talking about, but it's such a hot item that it's already sold out everywhere. 2. Ever since they started dating, they've been the hot item of the school. 3. The media can't get enough of that story. It's definitely the hot item this week. Remember, context is crucial. The meaning of hot item can change based on the situation. And there we have it. Now you know what hot item means and how to use it. English is full of such interesting phrases, and understanding them can make communication so much more vibrant. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning. Until next time.